closer to one building in particular, and it's the Harbour office. Behind the fences there, the black fences, is a small blue building in the front of the harbour, and all vehicles passing in must cross this, and the gates to the left, and the harbour building here to the the gates are to the right, actually. The harbour building is an office, harbour office, and these are three of the workers in the harbour. The man at the left is driving the crane, and in the middle is another vehicle driver, and at the right it's a man in charge of managing the ships that comes in. Three of the people who works in the harbour, and one is now currently in the office. Not many things in the office. It's a place to go where it's cold outside, but also a place to look at the computer and manage all things that you need to manage in a harbour. Place to talk some sense to each other, actually. This is the space underneath the building. It's placed on brick-built roads, and between that and the railroad, so I just placed it there, and it's stuck with some vertical knobs, and the green thing behind it is also placed with a hinge that makes it stuck between the platform of the trains. So this is the house is in a crossing with the trains, the train track, the platform, and the road in around it. So the house is movable, as you saw in the last picture. And the harbour office is a place that you shouldn't really notice. The people in the town have mixed feelings about the harbour. It creates jobs, but it's an ugly place that they are not really proud over. So, well, the harbour office is a manifest of that.